Hi, welcome back to Bopchi's Corner. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Barb, and I'm gonna bring you along for a new area that I figured out that I'm gonna plant in. So I have to clean it up. I'm gonna put down a weed fabric down that I actually got by recommendation of Special Place Ranch. She was wonderful to send me the link. I ordered it, and I think it's gonna work out. So after I'm done cleaning that up, my weekend chores will involve planting garlic. And I'll bring you along for that too. So let's get to it. Okay, so I got this area all cleaned up. And yes, I have leaves now that I need to clean up, and I will do that. But to put this weed fabric down, let me show you what I went through. Alright, so yesterday when I was doing this, I was interrupted, so I'm not sure where I left off, but I don't think I got a chance to talk about this. So this whole area is now plantable. And what I'm thinking of doing is moving my gooseberry shrubs out of the planters and into here. So this is the not blacktop, but weed barrier or weed fabric that Special Place Ranch. Oh, I'm sorry if I messed your name up. Special Place Ranch recommended. And let me tell you what a difference from those other fabrics that I have purchased before. And let me show you what happened with those. See? This is what happened. All of this. All of this. It came right through. And I spent a lot of time getting weed fabric down and a lot of money on mulch. And I was blaming the mulch And I honestly, at this point, I don't know what to blame. Is it the weed fabric? Is it the mulch that created this? I don't know. But I don't know if I'm going to deal with this year or come spring like I did last spring. I dealt with this last spring, but by the end, I was burnt out. I just did too much in the spring. And I was burnt out. So I may try to get to this within the next couple of weeks. And let me show you where else I'm struggling. I completely redid around my foundation last fall. And the same weed fabric I put down, and this is what happened. And what I did was I had the mulch again. So I don't know if it's the type of mulch I'm using, but now I have to dig all this up all over again, clean it up, and put the new fabric down. I don't think I'm going to plant anything here just yet. Last fall, I cut the X's and I put tulips in here. And even, if I remember correctly, in the beginning of spring, I said something to the effect of, oh, look, the daffodils came through. When I thought I covered them up and pulled out whatever I could because I did not want daffodils. And I said something to the effect of, well, if they came through that weed fabric, they were meant to be. But it looks like they didn't just come through the weed fabric. Everything came through the weed fabric. So, this is where I'm at.
Walk me in the morning sun. Tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me.
This is day number 2. As you saw, I've already amended part of my bed. I put some potash in here. I put black cow, and now I'm just gonna add some more topsoil and work all this in, and I'm gonna start planting my garlic.
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna do just one bed or if I'm gonna do 2 beds. This is the garlic I grew last year and harvested in, I think, the end of June or something. So I have most of these I haven't used. I put them aside because they're a good size for planting. And these are German whites. And I think I have hardy German whites as well. But in here it looks like I have a lot of Spanish reds. So I'm not sure how many of these I'm gonna plant. Like I said, I haven't decided, but let me set these down and let me space them out and see where I'm at as far as how many heads I would be getting out of this bed.
Step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try to separate the ones you hate from the ones that you don't know. 'Cause there's a part of you that never could let go. I'm chasing shadows around the place. It shouldn't take long now in any case, as long as there is light. Pretending I could stay the night, one breath away. Step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try to separate the ones you hate from the ones that you don't know.
I put my garlic to bed, literally. It's all under the covers. So fingers crossed, I get something next year. What I think I want to do next is get that other strawberry plant out of that whiskey barrel and put it into this bed. So I'm gonna take all this apart and find a spot for that plant in here.
I'm chasing shadows around the place. It shouldn't take long now in any case, as long as there is light. Pretending I could stay the night, one breath away. Step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try to separate the ones you hate from the ones that you don't know.
What I'm gonna do is throw some fertilizer, the granules. I have some fertilizer that says blueberries and hydrangeas, but I don't know if that's the right fertilizer for strawberries. I'm just gonna use this organic Espoma garden cone. I'm gonna use this. Just kind of, hopefully this will be good throughout the winter. We're supposed to get some rain in a couple of days, so I'm hoping it will kind of bring it down to the soil level.
One breath away. Step up and say, hold on to what is real. The love you feel is like water in a glass. Don't try to separate the ones you hate from the ones that you don't know.
Let's say hi to Bella. She's been such a good girl. She's just been hanging out here with me while I've been doing work past 2 days. She would not go in and stay in. She was out here all day, but boy, did she eat when she got back in. Her food was sitting there all day waiting for her. She would run in and sniff it and come running back out because she knew I was out here. Such a good girl. I don't know if I mentioned, I did get a trellis for this, and I'm debating, should I put it together and put it up before winter? Or should I just wait until spring? I don't know. A lot of things I really don't know at this point where I'm at with anything. Let's just go say hi to the chickens. We'll end the video there. I love that chicken right there.